My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called Alock. This ransomware may essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Well, my video is, of course, only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware, and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the data. You've just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open the data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data and that this ransomware appends this Alock extension to the file names. It then also reveals this HTML file indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so do not waste your money and do not pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For this purpose, you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, and you need to get this site through Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this Alock ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then you need to click on this Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Wait until the anti-malware database is successfully updated. So after it is successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to protect the data from further ransomware attack. It helps to remove this ransomware, but it does not decrypt files. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate its features. And in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to recover your data.